Wait, you're gonna be holding it up for a while.
It's fine.
Okay. Hello everyone. So
I was built for this.
this is Vidal's showcase group. Hello, my name is JC.
Johannadendalney.
Oh. My name is JC.
My name is Brittany. I'm Yana.
Vidal.
Jade.
And today we'll be trying Filipino snacks. So first we have chocolate pillows. Everyone, please grab one.
Wait, who has not tried this? Me. Oh, look at the
Everybody should try at the same time.
Yeah, at the same time.
Chocolate pillows.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, you guys are so cute.
10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10.
This would be a great cereal.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
What's everyone's rating? I give it a 10. That was amazing.
I give it an 8.
I give it a 9.
Okay, so.
Different.
I don't like sweets. I don't like sweets.
Now you have to try the ube one.
Do we go
Oh.
sweet? Next. Oh, this is my favorite one.
These are so yummy.
They only had small bag. That was the last one.
These are my 10. Nah, Jane, you do.
Wait, I'm bringing this back because. Sorry. Let me get a little bit.
You're lucky I like the ube ones better.
Hmm?
You're lucky I like the ube ones better.
Me too.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Cheers.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
10
10
out
out
of
of
10.
10.
10 out of 10. I like that one better.
Mhm.
This is still a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Okay,
That was good.
next. Cheese curls.
Cheers.
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 Oh, fricky.
This one
Oh, I ripped it. Okay.
It's okay. I haven't had these in a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. These
Yeah.
are never
Oh, okay.
I'm so scared.
Okay.
Cheers.
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 Oh,
Very
delicious.
happy.
Yeah.
Such a light Cheeto.
I love
Very
that.
Like, this will make you feel really skinny because it's puffy.
Wait, I like that.
I would give it.
Yeah.
I give it like a nice little 8.
Wait, the flavor is like stronger than I
I give it a
Yeah.
7. Sorry.
I give it a 10. I like flavor.
I was giving it an 8 because of the
texture.
Yeah, we have a bad one right here.
Okay. Shut up.
Oh, sorry. That's right.
No, yeah. Keep it there. Oh, I already know these. These are so good. These are so good.
Look at mine. I'm eyeing those.
Help me. The packaging is so cute.
Here you go, Mama.
This is like the best thing like at H Mart. I love it. It's so good. Have you ever had this?
No.
Okay, cheers.
Wait. Cheers.
Sweet corn for you. Cheers,
Okay.
cheers, cheers.
I forgot how good this was.
This is so good.
Wait.
Hold on.
Because the last one I had was the
Wow.
seaweed one.
I can't really
Dude,
taste it.
have you ever had the truffle one? It's so
Yeah,
good.
Wait, wow. I can't really taste
This
it.
is good.
Wow.
Yeah, right?
Wow.
You was like, oh my
Melted
god, my dog
Pokemon.
likes it. Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
10 out of 10.
10
out of
That's 10.
Okay.
Philippines.
That's not Philippines.
I love
What do you
Korean?
want?
this.
This is Korean.
Chicken.
Actually, let's say this for last.
Okay.
What is that?
Okay, that I haven't tried before.
That looks yummy though.
Marty's.
Ooh, chicken.
Mang inasal flavor.
What is that?
It's a very popular like restaurant in the Philippines, but it's also like a seasoning, special seasoning that they have on the chicken. It's really
Here you
good.
go, Ate.
Okay.
You have to choose with us.
Okay.
Oh wait, I've had this.
No, this isn't the salt and vinegar one.
Oh.
This is like a chicharron, but but healthier.
Oh.
Thank you.
Ready?
Oh, it smells good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow.
That is so good.
I just got her today.
Might be.
Where'd it go?
You want another table?
This is really good.
Wait. I like
Seasoned
that.
as fuck.
We had the salt and vinegar one before.
Yeah.
That one was like okay. It's not
Salt and vinegar.
salt and vinegar.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh,
This-
it's
Not even trying to expose you on camera right now.
Oh, that's yummy.
Ooh.
Wow, that was yummy.
Okay, last one.
Ooh.
Wait. Okay.
You open the. Oh,
Okay.
I love this.
Boy belongs.
Especially
It's
the
like-
almond flavor.
What is it?
I don't know how to
Like
explain
nuts?
It's like a nut.
Is it like that one snack, the corn snack?
Fried yeah. Corn. Garlic flavored.
Garlic?
Smells a little
Yeah.
pungent.
Okay, everyone. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
Oh.
Mmm. You don't like it.
Oh, no.
Brittany, you like the
Okay.
salt. You like salty.
I like salty.
Yeah,
She has like the palate of a grandma.
It's not bad.
I do too.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Just
I was like,
yeah, I do
Yeah.
too.
I love garlic.
I love garlic.
This is 6, yeah.
Yeah, you like
Alright,
six out of
everyone. Which one is your favorite?
This one.
Yeah, there's one more.
This one.
Really?
This
one is so good.
I love potato chips.
Yeah.
I think this is first, second, third, fourth. Wait, no. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth.
Before?
More for me.
Yeah.
No one said this is their favorite, so this is all for me. But, yep, that's our mukbang. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. I don't know who's watching.